I'm Emily.
And I'm Kelly.
And today we are doing a how-to with SBBlooms featuring one of our favorite brands, After the Tone. We are super excited to be doing this video today with them because we love their brand so much, and they have such a cool concept of renting rotary phones that you can have at your wedding or event, and all of your guests can leave voicemails and you can have them for years to come. So we will show you how to decorate your audio guest book table with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. And I think Kelly had one at her wedding.
I did. I had an audio guest book at my wedding, and it was such a fun and interactive way for our guests to give us congratulatory words. And sometimes we sit down and we kind of go through those voicemails at night and just listen to them and laugh at all the messages our friends and family left. It's a great way to elevate your guest book table and do something different, try something modern and new. And we're so excited to partner with After the Tone and showcase some different ways that you can decorate that guest book table.
Yeah, so I think we can get into it. Upon opening your box, this is really great. We include this in our orders too.
So in your After the Tone box, you'll receive a return label, which is so easy. I'm actually going to put that on the box right now so I don't lose it. They have this really cute little thank you note. Thank you for ordering with our brand. And then it also kind of has like a step-by-step guide saying like we're by your side every step of the way. Phone setup instructions. It's laid out super plainly, easy to follow. And they even have like a number that you can text if you have any issues, which is incredible. Great customer service.
Yes.
So we open the box. It comes in this custom foam insert.
Super well packaged.
It's very well packaged. And again, more setup instructions. Super easy to read and not forget about.
So this is how it comes in the box in its own little compartments. And you will take it out. It has instructions on how to set it up. First way we are going to decorate is kind of elevate the phone. This is a cake stand, but just
any elevated surface will do. They sell risers, acrylic risers. I've also seen people put them on like books.
Yeah, super cute.
That would be really fun. But even a cake stand, I think that looks cute.
Yeah. So we're gonna take one of our Garland. This is our Millie Wisteria Garland, and we are just gonna wrap it around the center. All of our stems are wire based, so they're really able to, bend and manipulate the way you want. But you can add this, maybe some candles, and have, maybe the sign saying like,
leave us a message. Or I've seen really cute ones that say, like Mr. and Mrs. last name can't come to the phone right now.
Yes,
leave us a message.
Is so cute.
I love that.
Yeah. So yeah, this is option 1. Super easy. All it takes is a garland and you're done.
Set it and forget it.
Yep. Okay, so the second option we have is one of our Vaseless centerpieces. So again, you can do one of these. You can do multiple. I'll take it off the cake stand for this. You can kind of get, fun with this one. We have disco balls that we thought would be really cute.
Yeah, get creative. This would be so cute to just kind of have at your reception. Give that fun and funky vibe.
Yes, I love this so much.
Love that.
Yes. Okay, and you can also add your sign here, but literally Vaseless centerpiece and you're done. It dresses up the table so much. This is option 2. And then we also have a different color phone that we will use next with the other.
Such a pretty like beige taupe pink phone. Very neutral.
So the third inspo is a large Charlotte centerpiece, which is our newest collection. Refresh.
So good.
So cute. And then just one little posy right beside the phone to add a little extra, and then of course your sign. Okay, the fourth design is our Floral Meadow. This is the Eloise collection with the tan phone on the clear pillar, and I would add a sign too, right here.
I would add a sign, and then if you wanted to take it one step further, you could add 2 aisle markers.
So the way we kind of include our aisle markers in a table is wrapping the pink ribbon around, the center and putting them together like so. With your little sign.
Right here, sign.
Yeah, so I think that's really cute. Very simple, but still easy for your guests to.
Minimal effort, big impact.
Yes. So yeah, this is the fourth and final design. All right, and there you have it. 4 different ways to elevate your guest book table. We had a lot of fun doing this, and we really loved all the looks. So the products that we use in each design will be listed in the description with the link, so you can go and rent them from our website. Since we did the how-to a little differently, we usually get requests from our audience on what they want to see. We have a link in the description where you can put your inspo photo, your budget. If you don't have a collection, we can help you choose a collection based on your color, and we can really help you bring that vision to life with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. Make sure to fill out the form in the description of the video so you can have a say in what we do next. Since we partnered with After the Tone today, Kelly will tell us a little bit about the discount code.
Yes, so we have a 20% off coupon code to share with our viewers and our followers, and that's borrowed20. So you can apply that code at checkout for 20% off the phone rental.
Yes, so if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next. See y'all next time.
Bye. Hey, Caitlin, your flowers are gorgeous. Where did you rent them from? Or where'd you get them from? And that's on Something Borrowed Blooms.